Are you having trouble syncing your iPhone with your Ford Sync system? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to sync your iPhone with Ford Sync. First, make sure your iPhone, car, and car radio sync system are turned on. You won't be able to pair your iPhone with Ford Sync if any of these are turned off. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for the gear icon on your home screen and tap it to open the Settings menu. From there, select General to access your device's general settings. Once you're in the General menu, turn on Bluetooth by tapping the Bluetooth option. Now, it's time to pair your iPhone with Ford Sync. Press the Sync phone button, usually located on the steering wheel or dashboard, represented by a phone icon. Select Add your phone from the Sync menu. On your iPhone, select Sync and tap on the bar below Devices to refresh the search for devices to pair with. Sync should now appear below. Tap it and enter the 6-digit PIN provided by Sync. Press Done to begin pairing. Once the devices are paired, Sync will notify you on its screen that your iPhone is connected. It will then ask if you want to make the currently connected phone the primary phone. Press OK on Sync and use the Seek buttons to find the Yes option. Press OK again to enter your choice. Lastly, sync your contacts to make calling easier. When Sync prompts, set automatic phonebook download to on. Press OK, select the Yes option using the Seek buttons and press OK again. And that's it. Your iPhone is now synced with Ford Sync. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.